Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the link between your Google account and the iPhone. In Settings, open Contacts then Accounts, add or select your Google account and toggle Contacts on. Do this now so updates flow both ways. Once done, make sure background app refresh and mobile data are allowed for contacts. That helps syncing. You'll avoid duplicate work later. If you already have a Google account added, force a sync by opening Contacts and pulling down to refresh. This confirms the connection is active. Now you actively update details. You open Contacts, tap a contact and choose Edit, change name spellings, add job, multiple numbers, email addresses, and a photo so identification is easier. Use consistent labels like mobile or work for clarity. Once edits are saved, they push to Google. If you spot duplicates, merge them on the iPhone by editing links or use Google Contacts on the web for bulk merges. That prevents fragmented entries. Make sure the primary account for saving is Google. Finish by verifying your edits appear both on the iPhone and at Contacts. Google.com, this proves sync worked. If something didn't update, toggle Contacts off then on for the Google account and wait a minute, or sign out and sign back in to force reauthentication. Restarting the phone can also resolve temporary sync glitches. If problems persist, check Google account storage and update iOS. One key troubleshooting tip: re-add the Google account only after confirming no recent local-only edits will be lost to avoid access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.